I have spent 200,000 for my parents' medical bill. Can I still achieve financial freedom? Now, I'm going to show you how to use this AI power wealth advisor tool in the next 2 minutes to answer that. Right? But first, you have to start telling the AI advisor your age, how much you have right now, when you ideally want to achieve financial freedom. Also, how much you expect to spend during your financial freedom stage, so you don't forget inflation, and how much you are saving and investing before your target financial freedom age. Assume you are on track right now to financial freedom. But with this 200,000 depletion or withdrawal from your saving or investment portfolio, you have to reanalyze your financial freedom roadmaps to see how much lesser you have in the next 10 years, for example. But don't just stop there. Ask the AI advisor, what if I delay my financial freedom age by 5 years? Or what if I earn 30% more in the next 5 years? Or what if I spend 20% less after my financial freedom age? Can I still hit my financial freedom goals like before? This AI advisor will be able to answer that for you because it's fast, it's convenient, yet it's powerful to let you plan a lot more other financial scenarios. But the thing is, it not only reveals to you the problem, your numbers, but also gives you suggestions and solutions when you know how to use it effectively. And yes, I created this AI advisory income calculator tool to construct and analyze even more detailed, intricate financial freedom roadmaps or scenarios for my clients, like the impact of a higher investment return. Comment freedom, and I will send you a light version of this tool for you to use free of charge, even if you're not a client. Follow to see more financial planning scenarios like this.